Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started!
Let's get your Kenmore 385 series sewing machine up and running smoothly. First, ensure your machine is placed on a stable, flat surface with good lighting. Locate the power cord and the foot pedal cord, plug the power cord into the machine and then into a wall outlet, and connect the foot pedal securely. Your machine likely has a power switch on the side or back. Turn it on, and you should see the machine light illuminate, indicating it's ready. Before we thread anything, it's crucial to check your needle. A universal needle size 80/12 or 90/14 is a good starting point for most general sewing projects. To change the needle, loosen the needle clamp screw, usually located on the side of the needle bar, remove the old needle, ensuring the flat side of the new needle faces the back of the machine, then push it up as far as it will go and tighten the screw securely. Always ensure your machine is off when changing needles for safety. Next, let's wind a bobbin, a fundamental step for any sewing project. Place your spool of thread on the spool pin, usually positioned at the top right of the machine. Guide the thread through the designated bobbin winding tension disc or guide, typically a small metal disc or hook designed to provide even tension. Now, take an empty bobbin, thread the end of the thread through one of the small holes on the bobbin from the inside out, and place the bobbin onto the bobbin winder spindle, which will usually click into place. Push the entire spindle to the right, towards the hand wheel, to engage the winder. Hold the thread tail, gently press the foot pedal, and the bobbin will start to fill evenly. Once it's reasonably full or reaches the automatic stop, release the pedal, cut the thread, and push the spindle back to the left to disengage. Remove the neatly wound bobbin. Now for bobbin insertion. Your Kenmore 385 likely features a convenient drop-in bobbin system. Open the bobbin cover plate, which is usually a clear plastic cover directly beneath the needle plate. Place the wound bobbin into the bobbin case with the thread unwinding counterclockwise. Guide the thread through the tension slot, carefully following any arrows or diagrams printed on the machine itself, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Pull out about 6 inches of thread. Close the bobbin cover plate firmly. For the upper thread, place your main thread spool on the spool pin again. Follow the numbered or diagrammed threading path meticulously. Typically, this involves guiding the thread down into a channel, up around the take-up lever, which must be in its highest position, then back down towards the needle. Pass the thread through the needle eye from front to back. Pull out about 6 inches of thread. Now, hold the upper thread tail gently, turn the hand wheel towards you manually, slowly lowering and then raising the needle completely. The upper thread will catch the bobbin thread, pulling a loop of the bobbin thread up through the needle plate opening. Use tweezers or your fingers to pull this loop completely through, so both thread tails are now under the presser foot and extending towards the back of the machine. With both threads ready, select your desired stitch pattern using the stitch selector dial, usually on the front panel of your machine. For beginners, a straight stitch, often indicated by a dashed line, is ideal. Adjust the stitch length and width if your machine offers those options. A length of 2.5 to 3 is standard for most general sewing. Locate the presser foot lifter, typically a lever at the back of the needle area, and raise the presser foot. Slide your fabric under the foot, aligning the edge with a seam guide on the needle plate for a straight seam. Lower the presser foot, ensuring it holds the fabric firmly against the feed dogs. Gently press the foot pedal to start sewing. Guide the fabric smoothly without pushing or pulling excessively, letting the machine's feed dogs do the work. To secure your stitches at the beginning and end, use the reverse stitch lever or button, usually marked with an R or a back arrow symbol. Press it for a few stitches, then release to continue sewing forward. When finished, raise the needle to its highest point, lift the presser foot, and pull the fabric away from the machine. Trim both thread tails, leaving about 4 inches to prevent unraveling. Practice these steps with scrap fabric until you feel comfortable controlling the speed and guiding the material. Understanding your Kenmore 385 specific dials and levers will come with practice, so don't be afraid to experiment after mastering these fundamental basics. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more sewing tips and tutorials.